Portable air conditioners are the easiest way to cool a room without permanent installation. Just roll one in, connect the window kit, and enjoy cool air in minutes. Today, I'm ranking the 8 best portable air conditioners of 2026, from compact bedroom units to powerful smart models designed for large living spaces. Links are in the description with updated pricing. Let's get into it. Opening at number 8, the FeelFun 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. The 8000 BTU ASHRAE rating covers rooms up to 350 square feet with a 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range. The 3-in-1 operation, cooling, fan, and dehumidifier at up to 45 pints of moisture removal per day, covers the full range of warm weather comfort scenarios. Under 48 decibels operation is among the quieter ratings on the 8000 BTU machines on this list, making it genuinely appropriate for bedrooms and home offices where noise interrupts focus or sleep. The full water alert notification before the tank fills is a practical detail that prevents the surprise overflow that catches portable AC users off guard. You get advance warning to drain before it becomes a problem. The CEER 6.1 energy efficiency rating matches the Temprium at number 1 for efficiency. For buyers who want a straightforward, quiet, 350 square foot bedroom cooler with water level alerts at an accessible price, the FeelFun is the entry point. Number 7 is the EUHOME 10000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. The 400 CFM airflow at 10,000 BTU ASHRAE provides noticeably faster room cooling than 8,000 BTU alternatives. If you have a room that's consistently slow to cool with smaller units, the additional capacity makes a practical difference. The 61 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range provides slightly wider coverage than the 8,000 BTU units. The intelligent thermostat automatically pauses cooling when the set temperature is reached, reducing energy consumption rather than running continuously at a fixed power level. Up to 61 pints of moisture removal per day is the highest dehumidification rate among the 450 square foot or smaller units on this list, meaningful for high humidity environments where moisture control is as important as temperature. For buyers who need to step up from 350 to 450 square feet of coverage with strong dehumidification capability, the EUHOME 10000 BTU is the pick. At number 6, the Line Blaster Portable Air Conditioner. The 8500 BTU ASHRAE with dual turbo airflow covers up to 450 square feet, 100 square feet more than the standard 8000 BTU units on this list, and the extended temperature range down to 61 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit covers both standard cooling and unusually hot environments like garages and utility rooms, where temperatures regularly exceed typical summer indoor readings. The 3-in-1 cool, dry, and fan modes with under 52 decibels operation make this appropriate for bedroom use. The sleep mode with gradual temperature and fan speed adjustment through the night handles comfort management automatically rather than maintaining a fixed setting that may be too cold in the early morning hours. The programmable timer from 0.5 to 24 hours provides precise energy scheduling. For renters, seasonal users, and frequent movers who need fast cooling across a wider temperature range, the Line Blaster earns its spot. Number 5 is the EUHOME 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. 86 pints of moisture removal per day is nearly double the 45-pint rating of the other 8000 BTU units on this list. For buyers in high humidity climates, coastal areas, the southeast, basement installations, or any environment where humidity is as much of a comfort issue as temperature, that dehumidification capacity is genuinely important rather than a secondary feature. The dual drain ports enable continuous drainage rather than requiring manual tank emptying, which matters significantly when running in high humidity environments that would fill a standard tank quickly. The 4-in-1 modes cover cooling, dehumidifying, fan, and sleep. For buyers who prioritize maximum dehumidification in a standard 350 square foot room cooler, and especially for high humidity environments where the difference between 45 and 86 pints per day is genuinely noticeable, The eUhomi 8000 BTU is the pick. At number 4, the CoolBliss Portable Air Conditioner. The 8500 BTU ASHRAE with 5100 BTU DOE covers 350 square feet with rapid cooling to target temperature in 15 minutes. The 45-pint dehumidification covers standard humidity management across the coverage area. The air purification function filters fine dust and odors from the air, meaningful in urban environments, areas with seasonal allergens, or households with pets where air quality alongside temperature is a daily concern. The automatic restart function, which ensures the unit continues operating after a power restoration, is a practical feature that other machines on this list don't specify, protecting your cooling schedule against brief power interruptions without requiring a manual restart. For buyers who want 8500 BTU cooling with air purification and automatic restart protection in a standard room size, the CoolBliss is the pick. The bronze medal goes to the YLYUB 16000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. 730 square feet covers open-plan living and dining combinations, larger master suites, home offices that serve as daytime working spaces, and any room configuration where standard 8,000 to 10,000 BTU units consistently struggle to reach the target temperature. The 5-in-1 design, cooling, high-capacity dehumidifier, 3-speed fan, sleep mode, and 24-hour timer with auto swing function covers the full range of comfort scenarios, with the auto swing distributing air across the room rather than concentrating it in one direction. The 42 decibel sleep mode operation is the quietest on this list, quieter than a library, as YLEOOB describes it. For buyers who need a large room portable AC and are specifically concerned about noise in sleeping environments, that 42 decibel rating is a meaningful differentiator. For buyers who need large room coverage up to 730 square feet with the quietest sleep mode on this list, the YLEOOB is the pick. Number 2 is the NYPEG 16000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. 850 square feet is the largest coverage area on this list, covering serious open-plan configurations, combined living, dining, and kitchen layouts in apartments, and larger rooms that smaller portable units simply can't reach effective temperature in. The 16,000 BTU with an advanced compressor at under 40 decibels is the combination that should be difficult to achieve. But the NYPeak delivers meaningful cooling power with noise levels that support concentration during work and rest during sleep. The 5-in-1 modes with strong cooling, high-capacity dehumidification, and fan modes cover all operational needs. The 2 fan speeds provide airflow control at both operational extremes. The 61 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range covers from aggressive cooling to mild circulation. For buyers who need the maximum coverage area on this list, 850 square feet, with the best noise performance at that power level, the NYPeak earns the number 2 spot. And the best portable air conditioner of 2026 is the Temprium 8000 BTU. The Temprium takes the top spot by combining strong cooling performance, smart home integration, quiet operation, and easy installation in one well-rounded package. The Temprium app lets you control and schedule cooling from anywhere, while Alexa and Google Assistant support add convenient voice control. The self-evaporating system reduces maintenance, and the included window kit makes setup simple for renters and homeowners alike. For overall value, convenience, and everyday performance, the Temprium 8000 BTU is the best portable air conditioner you can buy in 2026. That's the 8 best portable air conditioners of 2026, ranked. Links are in the description with updated pricing. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and stay cool.